When the night feels heavy on my soul and the road ahead I cannot see, I hear your whisper in the silence. Child, just come and walk with me. Through the storms and through the waves, you are standing next to me. Even when my faith is shaking, Lord, your love will carry me. When the waters rise so high and fear is in my eyes, your love is deeper than the oceans. Oh. Your mercy wider than the sea. Hey. When I'm drowning in my weakness, oh, your grace is reaching out to me. The darkness, trying to fight my fears alone, but your light came shining through me, and it led my spirit home. Every tear I cried in silence, every broken prayer I prayed, you were listening from heaven, and your love showed me the way. When the waves are crashing down, you never let me drown. Your love is deeper than the oceans. Your mercy wider than the sea. Your mercy wider than the sea. Oh, when I'm drowning in my weakness, when I'm drowning in my weakness, your grace is reaching out to me. I will trust you through the waters, even when through the storm, through the rain, you are calling out my name. I will walk upon the waters, knowing you